Count 50 simple sentences. The dog runs fast. I love to play outside. She has a orange ball. We go to school every day. The sun is shining brightly. I eat an apple for lunch. My mom cooks dinner. She likes to read books. The cat sleeps on the bed. I draw with my crayons. The flowers are colorful. The bird is flying high. I play with my friends. She wears a yellow dress. The car is blue. My dad helps me with homework. The tree is tall. I drink water when I am thirsty. The toy is on the table. I can jump really high. He has a pet rabbit. We watch TV at night. The ice cream is cool. I ride my bicycle every day. The fish swims in the water. She plays the guitar. The sky is full of clouds. I brush my teeth every morning. The moon is bright tonight. I put my shoes on the shelf. The chair is next to the table. I like to eat fruits. The baby is sleeping. We clean our room together. I wear a hat in the sun. The cookies smell yummy. She is my best friend. I can hop like a bunny. The truck is very big. We sing song at school. The puppy is so cute. I take my lunch to school. I wash my hands before eating. The rainbow has many colors. The clock ticks every second. The apple is sweet. I run in the park. My dog is very fun. We go to the beach in summer. I walk to the bus stop every morning. Subscribe, friends.